Hi everyone. Do you know how to read years in English correctly? Let's go step by step together. In English, years before 2000 are usually split into two parts. For example, 1900, 1992. So, you say the first two digits, then the second two digits. From 2000 to 2009, we normally say 2000. For example, 2000, 2001, 2009. From 2010, you have two correct options. You can say 2010 or 2010. Both are fine. For example, 2010 or 2010, 2024 or 2024. So, remember, before 2000 split into two parts, 2000 to 2009, say 2000, 2010, and after, both ways are correct. Now it's your turn. How do you usually say the year of your birthday in English? Write it in the comments below.